nadaan mo dito, maalala mong Pilipinas. Philippine, I love my Philippine. But this is Hong Kong, we are in Hong Kong. Dito may island ka makita, pero sa tabi-tabi, nandiyan ang mga bahay-bahay at mga building. Nakita mo building na yan, no? Oh. Dito ang island. Yan. Island. Island. Big rock. Rock. With my beautiful friend. Background is the mountain. Very nice. Green. Blue, green. Like Philippines. Have you been to Philippines? Philippines. This part like a Philippine.
Yeah. Nice.
Yeah, we have many nice islands. And the beaches, the sun is white color. Here is brown. White sands. So, after here, then there are lots of houses na here. See? These are the water. The water we can see swimming fish. Oh, Malaysia also have one. Have many islands, beautiful island in Malaysia. Beautiful island. Tabi-tabi yung island nila, connected to each other. Ayan o. Puro bundok, puro island, pero marami silang mga buildings. Nandito tayo sa gilid. Hello, have some snack. Ayan sila oh. Super init eh. Snack tayo. For the sake of blood, this means sa init. Sa init po. Nasa taas sila. Ako sa baba. Sakit na pet ko, ang init. For the sake of vlog. This init. Diba sabi ni ano, dun sa ano niya, hep hep, hooray! Hep hep, hooray! Pero ba yung sigaw niya, hep hep, hooray! Hindi kaya yun.